What I like about him, though, even in medieval times, this motherfucker, before medieval times, Aquinas' careful logical analysis, his attempt to integrate philosophical reasoning with theological concerns, and I think offers a model for interdisciplinary dialogue. And I think he's just as valuable today as any time.
Yeah, and
I don't think we should antiquate him.
No, Aquinas is not antiquated. No. And what the cool part about it is that level of dialogue within the church is left. It's left within religion.
It's gone, yeah.
The dogmatism and ideology has become so rigid.
Fundamentalism, yeah.
Yeah, and this is too open.
It's way too
the
open.
way he describes it is the power spectrum. The power is with creation. It's not actually with...
Well, how would you say, just take his principles, how would you say the Catholic Church is the only church? That's what they say. You have to get baptized into the only church, which is came from Peter, from Jesus to Peter, first Pope Peter,
which is insane.
To here. So he's saying God he has no respecter of persons. Like God doesn't look at you as an individual because God is just creation as whole.
At the first church,
it's just all love. There's no. That's so egotistical, so man-made. It's almost. If you really, really think about it, it's almost how an atheist thinks. Because an atheist thinks in such a narcissistic, evolutionary way, like in the sense of like a true. If you talk to a true atheist, not
says,
an agnostic.
Here's an amoeba.
Yes.
Yeah. Or here's space dust. Here's the amoeba.
We figured it out.
Here's the sludge. The primordial sludge.
Yes. And everybody else is an idiot.
Yeah.
It's the Catholic Church has this materialistic view too of like, here's a theology. We figured it out. This is who we are. We're anything that's separate from. You have to be careful of.
Like even atheism is very isolating, which is completely unnatural. It's non-co-creative. It doesn't recognize the unity principle of everything that's occurring. It's closer than religion, but still far away with the fact that it's not talking about the fact that we are co-creators in this.
Because and I'm not just going to slam the Catholic Church because the Jews have this too, where they think they're God's chosen people,
and the Muslims
have this with it's the same thing over and over
and
again.
The
where Thomas Aquinas just slams all of religion in a good way, where he's like, hey, it's creation, and creation made nature, and there's laws.